Welcome to this tutorial of how to draw a face using the Loomis method. Start out by drawing a circle as the base of the head, and then draw a line through the middle of the circle to be the eyebrow line. Then place another line where the hairline would be, and draw a vertical line through the center of the face. Draw the nose line and the chin line, which will be equal distance apart as the eyebrow line and the hairline. As this portrait is from the side profile, draw a circle on the side of the head for the cutoff line, and then draw a vertical line through it. Place the ear inside the cutoff line and start to draw the jawline. Draw the eye line under the eyebrow line and start to draw the neck. Start the neck at the base of the head and go down to the shoulders. Use soft lines to make it look more natural. Draw a circle as the base of the nose. Draw a smaller circle to be the side of the nose. You can also start to sketch the rough shape of the lips and draw a curved line from the top of the ear to the bottom of the chin. This is important because it will help you place the corners of the mouth. Sketch the shape of the nose from the base of the nose to the eyebrow line. Add some shading on the bridge of the nose and on the sides. Draw the eyebrows above the eyebrow line. Use the edge of your pencil and use small, short strokes of your pencil. Draw the curve of the lips using soft strokes. And pay attention to the shape and the curve of the lips. Here the lips are slightly parted. Shade the lips to make them look full and rounded. Make sure to keep your strokes light so they don't look too dark. Add some shading on the jawline and chin. Mark out the placement of the eyes by drawing large circles under the eyebrows. Draw the curves of the ear and you can begin to draw the earring. To draw the hair, first sketch the hair as a large mass and then begin to add shading and lines. Erase the guiding lines at this point. To give the hair volume, add shapes of the strands as curves and lines to make it look more natural. Don't draw every strand individually, but draw some to give the hair texture and volume. Draw some flyaway strands to make the hair look more natural. Draw the bow in the hair and then shade in the shaded parts. Use a blending stump to add volume to the hair by shading in some parts. Shade the neck and draw small circles for the beads of the necklace. Use a blending stump to smooth these out. Shade some of the folds of the clothes. Think of these as shapes, not as a complex object. And then use a blending stump to smooth it out. To draw the eyes, first draw the crease of the eyelid and then the upper eyelash. Draw the lower eyelid and the iris of the eye, then draw the other eye. Draw both sides step by step so that you don't miss out any details and make them look uneven. It can take a few tries to get the shape right, so don't worry if you have to redo it. Draw the eyelashes using the side of your pencil. Use curved strokes, but don't make them too long or too bold. Shade in parts of the iris, but leave some areas highlighted. Add some shading to the side of the face. Now you're ready to start drawing a face. You can use this method for any face, and you can even use it to start drawing your own faces from memory.